Hi folks, I am happy to say that our Kickstarter was a complete success. Obviously, as a B2B product, we're never going to be financed through crowdfunding, but our main goal was to increase awareness of the business and what it is we're going to achieve. So right now we're looking to raise €150,000 from potential angel investors such as yourself at a 450,000 pre-money valuation. We are EIS approved, so subject to your own tax arrangements, if you have Irish taxable income, you should be able to claim back up to 3/4 against your 2018 tax. What are we going to do with your money? We're going to complete and distribute our mass market ready product and generate revenue so we can begin to grow organically. If you want to get in touch to invest a few €1,000, or if you're a professional investor who wants to have a bigger part in our story, you can contact me at Irish area code 353 83 463 1171 or dmurphy@promo-pads.com. Thank you very much. I look forward to bringing you on board.